Alright guys, so we are finally in our hotel room. We are all kind of settled in. Finally we are in the hotel room after a long day. It's about 2:30 or 3 in the afternoon. So we're just gonna get ready. I'm going to talk you guys through what I actually got with me on my travel. So we're gonna just do it quickly. I got my straightener, and then I also got a pouch which is full of makeup stuff. You can see here that I have the Kylie concealer, a palette, eyeshadow palette from MAC. I have the Sunday Riley foundation. I have the ABH bronzer. So this pouch actually is really good, and I use it for travel like all the time. But one palette that I couldn't fit in there was the ABH Soft Glam palette, and this is the only palette that I got for my travels. You know, I'm only staying for a few days, so I don't need much. So yeah, that's all I got. And oh sorry, wait, I got another pouch, and this was a free gift from purchase from MAC, and it has, this is actually hard to do. Bear with me. So you can see it has some lipsticks. I have the Fenty blotting powder right here. So good. I have my little teeny weeny MAC Fix Plus. I also have some palettes right here. Hyper Real Glow palette, and then this is the Becca blush palette. It's pretty amazing. Used it quite a bit actually, as you can see. So yeah, that's all I got for my trip. So I'm in the hotel bathroom right now, and I'll just show you guys my skincare routine pretty quickly. I didn't really take much while on travel. So okay, so I just got this Korres, I don't know why it's not in focus, this Wild Rose balm. It's an exfoliating cleanser. So I got this. Then I also got this Clarins Hydra matte lotion. This is just a lotion for combination skin. I also got the Caudalie cleansing oil. Yeah, it's again for removing my makeup. I got the IGK, I guess this is a dry shampoo. I think that's what this is. Yeah, it's a dry shampoo. I got another moisturizer. This is from Darphin. This is the Hydra Skin Light. I love this one. It's so good. Then I also got a instant detox mask. You know, I love masking as well. So I got an instant mask. This is literally just put it on for a few minutes and you take it off. It's amazing. So yeah, those were my skincare items. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower now, get ready, and then I'll show you guys my outfit of the day. Alright, so this is my outfit. I have sandals on. I have ripped jeans. This is a Michael Kors bag, and then I have like a nice top on, and I don't know, how can I show you my makeup? Like, hopefully the camera is picking it up, but this is kind of my makeup. Now you can see my makeup really quickly. Just nice soft eyes, a little bit of highlight happening, and this is the lip right here, Charlotte Tilbury Tell Laura. It's a very sort of neutral eye with a bold lip, and it's an easy way to dress up. So alright, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So this is where the Millennium Park is, so we're just gonna go to that building over there, and there's a taxi here. Okay, it's really pretty. So currently we are actually on Millennium Park, and we're just roaming around. Yeah, it's just so beautiful. See how beautiful it is. This is the beautiful bean. like the famous bean. Yeah, we'll go over there shortly. And look how pretty this park is. So that is Chicago right there. I don't think you can see my reflection, but it's there. It's here. Yay, I think you can see me here. I'm standing. It's actually cold, so I put on a jacket. There. Yay. Such a cool place. So cool. Quite a fun place to be. Of Chicago. So beautiful. Morning guys, it is our second day here in Chicago, and yeah, it is a cloudy day outside. Looks a little cloudy. It's not raining or anything, but it's looking good so far. I'm gonna go down and have breakfast, and then after I come back I'll show you guys my outfit of the day and everything. First in Chicago was really good. I couldn't really film after the park because we were really tired and we're just kind of driving around. So yeah, hopefully I caught a little bit on video, so maybe I'll post it. Breakfast in the morning, having a good hearty breakfast. Excited. So this is my outfit. Wearing a dress today. Yeah, thought I would wear something nice and pretty and just summery, even though it is really gonna be really cold outside. I probably have to wear a jacket, but yeah, that's my outfit today. And just want to show you my boots. Actually have this kind of gold detail. It is so cute. That's my look today. My hair is looking a little bit dull, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna have to wear a jacket anyways, so my hair is gonna get spoiled. Probably I'll be putting it up in a ponytail soon, so don't mind me when I do that. But yeah, I'm gonna head out soon, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, bye guys. So now we're gonna go see the sky deck. Yay, so excited. Look at all these bike lanes here, so cool. I think we need to rent a bike, but it's too cold for that. It's too cold for that. Sunday morning is so pretty around. So beautiful. Cannot wait to go up. Okay, we're at the sky deck right now. It's kind of no visibility, unfortunately. They did warn us though, but what to do? Yeah. Just pretty little scenery, but that's it. There's no visibility at all today. This is the view from the outside of Willis Tower. Look how beautiful it is. Just wish it was a little bit sunnier, but I wanted to show you. So we are currently at the Adler Planetarium. It is quite rainy outside, but yeah, you can see it's quite stormy. Terrace of the planetarium. That's so windy. Kind of windy right now. Hopefully my footage looks good, but we want to go on one of these boats.
Support wall. Every time you add a new floor, the base wall increases 6 inches wider until it eats up all your floor space. So looking for more efficient building materials, the evolution of architectural framing occurred for Chicago in 1885 when a Civil War bridge builder, William LeBaron for the home insurance building, introduced the iron and steel grid frame or skeleton. No ornamentation. Coming out of the Bauhaus, the architects were all about structure. Decoration was like not allowed. If I put decoration in my building, a modernist would scream at me, "You're being bourgeois, superfluous, dishonest." I'd be kicked out of the modernist club.
We're at an eating place here. So this is the big chicken, big city chicken, and then we have all the kind of foods listed here. Yeah. So we're gonna eat right now. Food has arrived. Having pizza, I guess. Yeah. Some rice with chicken. Okay, happy eating. Alright guys, so this is our last day in Chicago right now. Kind of sad to be heading home, but you know what, vacation's over, so yeah, cannot stay here much longer. So we're gonna be heading out soon. So I just wanted to end the vlog right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.